This is the 3D Viewmaster Showtime King Kong, the greatest monster of all time. The story. From a pagan paradise to the concrete and steel jungle of modern New York comes, against his will, King Kong, an ape as tall as an 8-story building. Gentle by nature, he is driven to rage by the cruelty and selfishness of man. He trusts only one human, a fragile, defenseless girl. An 80-foot tall monster from creation's dawn is loose in today's world. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. Meet King Kong. Picture 2. The Hunters. Picture 3. Vengeance. Picture 4. Triumph. Picture 5. Hiding from Kong. Picture 6. Kong holds friend. Picture 7. A quick shower. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1. Kong in captivity. Picture 2. Caged. Picture 3. He breaks free. Picture 4. Please, Kong, calm. Picture 5. Too late. Panic. Picture 6. Escape from Kong. Picture 7. Kong wades river. Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1. Angry, lost Kong. Picture 2. Kong rips train car. Picture 3. Loose in Manhattan. Picture 4. On top, World Trade Center. Picture 5. Kong fights jet choppers. Picture 6. Death plunge. Picture 7. Mighty Kong is dead. We want to add new videos every day, and if you don't want to miss any of them, subscribe to our channel for free.
And press the little bell. We are also happy to have a thumb up.